Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session, I want to give you the information regarding mutable and as well as the immutable objects. So, what are the mutable objects normally? Here, Python, there are two different kinds of the objects. One is yeah, yeah. So normally here in Python, we are having two different kinds of the objects. So one is mutable and another one is immutable. So what is the meaning of mutable? Normally, while we are going to discuss about mutable and immutable objects, the each and every variable in the Python we should know. Every variable in the Python holds an instance of the object, and the instance of the unique identifier of the objects can be represented with the help of ID. There are two types of the objects in Python. One are mutable and another one is immutable. What are mutable? Once the object is instantiated, it is assigned a unique object ID. As I told, it can be accessed by using the ID function, which we have discussed in our previous videos. The type of the object that is defined at runtime and cannot be changed afterwards, but its change cannot be changed if it is a mutable object. Uh, okay, so mutable such kind of the but we can change the values list, dict, set, byte, array. Okay, so we cannot change those values. Its state can be changed if it is a mutable objects. State means, for example, if you assign a list is equal to some 1, 2, 3, and at the list of 1 is equal to you have assigned it 5, then the list value will become 1, 5, 3 like that. Okay, so you can change the state because list is one kind of the mutable object here. Okay, so like that you can mute such kind of the objects. You can change the state of the objects which are list, dictionary, set, byte, array, etc., etc. And what are the immutable objects which cannot be changed? For example, s is given as some sree, and I want to change the s of 0 is equal to a, that is are, but it cannot be changed because it is immutable object. So which these are string, tuple, Trojan set, and as well as the bytes also one of the example for this mutable and as well as immutable objects. While practicing, we can easily know how these assignments, reassigning the values can be allowed in lists, dictionary, set, and byte arrays, which cannot be allowed in string, tuple, Trojan set, and as well as the bytes. Okay, so and before that, we are going to see some more things also. These are nothing but your bytes and as well as byte arrays. What is a byte array, which we have seen already in our past video? Byte array function in Python create a mutable sequence. Here, bytes are falls under byte arrays are falling under mutable. We can change them. Okay, here mutable objects. This byte array is there. Okay, but whereas immutable version is nothing but bytes. Okay, so unlike the immutable type, byte arrays allows us to modify its contents after creation, and we can manipulate file. Various applications for this are file input output and as well as the networking. Bytes method is used to create a sequence of bytes, but it is immutable. You cannot change it. So like this we can have bytes and byte arrays. Whatever values we have given, we have passed, that will be converted into bytes, but they can be changed in byte arrays, but they cannot be changed in the bytes. That's what how we are going to see now. Okay, so first of all I want to show you the